Good morning students, how are you? I am Francis sir, and today here we are there with standard 7 chemistry, and the chapter is acid, bases and salts. Okay, so in the previous lecture we did discuss about acid and bases. So today we will talk about salt. So let's see, what is salt? A salt is a neutral substance. A salt is a neutral substance which is neither acidic or basic in nature, formed as a result of neutralization. So what is salt? Salt is a neutral substance. Neutral means, what does it mean? It means that it is neither acidic nor basic. And how is this salt formed? Salt is formed by a process called neutralization. Okay? So now see the next part. The next part is, what is neutralization? So when we talk about neutralization, I talked that salt is formed by neutralization. So we need to know what is neutralization. So the next question is, what is neutralization? So neutralization is a type of reaction. So what is neutralization? A type of reaction between an acid and a base. So it is a reaction between an acid and a base to yield a salt and water. So it yields salt and water. So this neutral substance, salt and water, so this water we know, what is it? Yes, we have known it since our childhood, but what is this one? This is our chemical substance, which is specially formed after an acid and base are reacted. But water, formation of water, there are different reactions. But this, for salt, the reaction must be between an acid and a base. If this occurs, then only an salt will be formed. Okay? So, I hope you understand. So, now we will see the next part, and that is the indicators. So, we did discuss at the previous lecture what are indicators. So today we will see in detail. So what is indicator? An indicator is a substance which changes its color when an acid or a base is added to it. That means if you add acid or a base to a substance and that substance changes its color, then that substance to which you added the acid or a base, that substance will be called an indicator. For a very good example is turmeric. You might have seen that when your hands are oily in nature, so and you wash your hands. So when you wash your hands, what happens? So when your hands are there with turmeric and you wash your hands with some detergent also, you see that your hand gets red in color. So why does that happen? Because the soap or the detergent that you use, it is basic in nature, and when it is added to that turmeric, the color of the turmeric changes to red. So this is an example of an indicator when a base was added to turmeric and it changed its color. So turmeric can be termed to as an indicator. Okay. So we will see the types of indicator. Okay. So types of indicators. So indicators can be of two types: chemical and natural. Chemical means, or you can say artificial, that we prepare in lab. Okay. So this is chemical and neutral. Natural. So chemical indicators examples are litmus, methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Litmus, methyl orange and phenolphthalein. Okay. So for litmus, when an acid is added to litmus, what happens? It turns blue litmus to red. Blue litmus to red, and if litmus is added to a base, it turns red, litmus to blue. So this is the change in the color. If an acid is added to blue litmus, it changes to red. If an base is added to red litmus, it changes to blue. But what if an acid is added to red litmus? There will be no change in the color. Okay? And what if a base is added to a blue litmus? There will be no change in the color of the litmus. Okay, so therefore you can see that litmus is a type of indicator which indicates whether the given substance is an acid or a base. Similarly, for methyl orange, when methyl orange is added to an acid or a base, it also changes its color, and so does phenolphthalein. Okay. Now we go to natural indicators. So some of the very popular natural indicators are China rose and turmeric. I'll talk to you about turmeric, what is the change in its color. So I want you all to find out the change in color of methyl orange under acidic condition of all these three: methyl orange, phenolphthalein and China rose. Okay, I want you to find out. Okay, so this could be a homework. So please go through the chapter and see you in the next part of the video.